Laba bazinikele emaphoyiseni ngempela sonto babhekene namacala enkohlakalo, ukweba kanye nokugqekeza ngenhloso yokweba. Icala ababhekene nalo lingaphansi kuka Schedule 6. Leli cala lihlehlisiwe ukuze abasolwa befake isicelo sebheyili mhla ziyi-16 kuNtulikazi. Abameli abaneme ngokuhlehliswa kwecala.
We're not impressed at all for this lengthy postponement. This investigations should have been completed a long time ago. It's been ongoing for a couple of years. Honestly speaking, I do not even know why they didn't just summons him to appear in court.
That there was extreme disappointment, not only on my part, but on my client's part. It was indeed conveyed through channels that the bail was not to be opposed, more in light of him actually handing himself over to the police on Friday.
Abameli abaneme nangokuthi inkantolo iguqule leli cala lisuka ku Schedule 5 laya ku Schedule 6 bengaziswanga. Umbuso uhlela ukusiphikisa isicelo sabo sebheyili. Abasolwa bazobuyela enkantolo ngesonto elizayo.